in this section, we are going to discuss about the other methods of sexual reproduction. So here we are having the method which is known as sporulation. Now sporulation is the process of spore formation. It occurs under unfavorable conditions like desiccation and extreme temperature. So here we are having the spores of fungi. We are having chlamydospores, arthrospores, blastospores. We are having microponidia, macroponidia. We are having porospores, and we are also having the pheanospores. So these are the different types of spores which are produced by fungi. The products of multiple fission become individually surrounded by resistant coats called cyst wall before they released from the parent body itself. The spore remain inactive during unfavorable condition, and upon arrival of favorable condition, the cyst hatches and develops into an adult. So sporulation has advantages over the survival of organism in unfavorable conditions. So next, we are having the next process which is known as gemmulation. So gemmulation normally occurs in case of sponges, and here we are having the external view of gemmules. So we can visualize that in case of gemmules, they are having an outer membrane, then inner membrane. A micropyle is there which is supplying the oxygen, water through this micropyle into the inner portion, and the inner portion is made up of a particular cell which is known as aracheocytes, and in the outer membrane they are having spicules, obviously for the purpose of their own defense. Next, we are having the internal view of gemmules. So here again we are viewing the internal portion of the gemmule itself: outer membrane, inner membrane, spicules, and finally the aracheocytes. So these are the two views in case of gemmules, and they are also produced in case of unfavorable conditions. So after this, the next process we are having, that is regeneration. So regeneration is the process of renewal, restoration, and growth. It can occur at the level of the cells, tissues, and organs. It is mainly common in Hydra, and here we are having the division or regeneration of Hydra itself. So here first amputation takes place, then regeneration of the body itself takes place, and finally they are growing into two new adults. So this is one example in case of regeneration. Another example we also have in case of starfish, and here also the starfish has been regenerated. Obviously they actually first amputated longitudinally, and then the parts are regenerating, and finally they are growing into new adults. So in case of Hydra, the regeneration takes place vertically, and in case of starfish, it is normally takes place longitudinally. So finally, this much we are having in case of the methods of sexual reproduction. So thank you.